It was a very informative event. I got to learn about future AGI, like how it will be helpful in AI agents orchestration to get all the evals.
Today got to know something new which is different from what I'm working.
Give us a new tool, that is Future AGI, by which we can do the evaluations and end-to-end implementation of the AI agents, and basically the improvement of the AI agents.
All the tools that are available on Future AGI that help you in every part of your agent development lifecycle, starting right from prototyping to shipping and monitoring your agent in production, is now available to everyone for free to use.
They are connecting product people with developers who are not natively from the AI background and building the bridge together with all of these people included.
The whole overall idea of evaluating the agents in a particular manner with agent simulations and multiple evaluation patterns and methodologies. It was a really good experience.
What really helped me in Future AGI, basically, it's a standalone product for all eval which you want to do.